Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about how to claim the car insurance when something happens like a car accident. Okay, first thing is ID. You should know. Okay, the thing about the ID is about um, insurance policy or policy number. You're gonna hear about this a lot. Policy number from the another car, the another car that you hit or that person hit to your car, you should get that information. If that person don't give any information to you, try to take all photo. Try to take all photo about your car and that person car. Get all photo to be your evidence. This is very important. I'm not like you. It's very important because if something happen later, the another person make a liar about something happen. I'm gonna explain to you the end of this video. It happened to myself and my friend situation too. It's gonna be long, but I hope this can be helpful for someone. Okay, take a photo your car and that person, another person car on your file, and if it's a big accident report, call the police coming. They're gonna take a photo, asking you and asking that person or asking another person too, to be which person and what situation happening, and the address and where is gonna asking. When you claim the insurance you call, they're gonna asking you, do you know that person policy number, do you have that person car damage or something, or your car damage and something, and where it's happened. It's on the highway, it's on the parking lot, it's at the school, it's on the campus, it's on the market or something. And the next one going to how. The first how gonna be how that happened. Are you drunk? Are you driving slow? Or that person driving fast? Or driving the weather? And the second how is how many people does those people in the car or outside the car, or no one around there. And then the next one, they're gonna asking how long it take, how long that happening, how long it gonna be fixed, how long do you go anywhere else, how long you go to work, how many days you need to go to work or something like that. It's gonna asking you when you call. And first, when you call, they also send you a notification on the message, like the app or the link or something you click on. You can explain on that way, but sometimes the vocabulary or the word is unclear and you understand what it is mean. When you're calling, you can explain to them more better. And then report evidence is very important. When you take a photo, make sure the photo and the note explanation is matching. Oh, that car front bumper is broken, the color and the license plate. Oh, important. You should take license plates and people. You shoot the license plate at that, and that people, you should ask the concern, can you take a photo like where they get hurt or not, but don't take their face if not damage their face. Why? I can show you and tell you the evidence later at the end of the video. And then schedule. What does schedule mean? Schedule is this one mean like if it's bad, the car gonna tow your car to some dealer to fix it. They're gonna make you schedule to call you. Hey, your car have been review check. Can you come on this day, this time to see how bad it is and how you decide gonna fix it. You're gonna use your own insurance fix for it by full coverage, or that person insurance fix for it, because the dealer place, they just their job is fix the car, but they didn't know what's going on. So the person who can fix the car, only the person who's the person fault gonna pay for that. So they're gonna make schedule with you. They make schedule time you see and make schedule to order the part and make the schedule to come to pick up. So that's mean for schedule. Okay, after you report that one to the company insurance that you bought, they're gonna telling you the bill total. The bill total, how much you gonna pay or that person gonna pay, and then you just wait. And if that person fault, you got a free car rent from them to drive to work. But if your fault, you have to rent the car for yourself to go to work. That's it. Still have to pay for that person also. Okay, next I'm gonna share the story that's happened to me and my friend. Two story. The first story that I say in the previous video, but this time I'm gonna repeat again, but not much. I'm gonna say shorter. Okay. I make ABCD. Okay. I'm an A. I parking my car in parking lot. I didn't go anywhere because I go to work inside the shopping mall. B is another person fault that hit my car when I'm not there, but he had insurance. He leave a note for me. I won't say his name, but he leave a note for me. So I contact to him and asking the insurance to cover and taking each people information. I taking the car, my car side. Oh, does my car have any damage somewhere else? And does his car have damage anywhere else? To confirm like, okay, no one get injury or someone get injury. To report to my company insurance. If it's a big hit, I call my insurance company to the dealer to get the car towed and fix it and let them diagnostic and review check. But my situation is not a big hit, it's just a front bumper broken. The total pay from the person B pay for my car about 100,000. No. 1,000. No, my bad. Wrong. $1,600 for fix my front bumper. Sorry, the earlier I say wrong. So how do I know about $1,600? When I go to, okay, I have the appointment to go to the dealer. When I go to the dealer, I have to drop off my car and they review check about 1 day, just 1 day. And they say, oh, your car, this one broken. This one broke. We need to order the part about 10 days. Okay, 1 week. And they asking me, do you have a car to go to work or something? I say no, because I have only this car only. I don't have family here. I live by myself. So the collision plates, they call to the company, the person car from this one to pay the rent, the car for me, so I can use the car to go to work. So after the part coming, I had to return the car back to the original place that the B person pay for it. So I get my car back so they can show me the bill. How much total? My total is $1,600 for just the front bumper and my wasting time. Do I get paid anything from this? The answer gonna be no, because I'm not in the car. I didn't get injury. So the B person just pay for my car only. He have a full coverage. Maybe liability with me too. I'm not sure how that works. He have the insurance, same company with me, so he pay for me. So that's it. After I get my car back, everything is look good, so I gone. And how the insurance work for this one? You don't need to talk to B, the person B anything. You just talk to insurance and let insurance work for you. That's it, done. Okay, now let's go to the second situation. My friend accident. It happened in the snow time. Okay, red and blue. Okay, red is a wrong person, blue is a normal person. In the snow time, my friend don't see the wheel well. He hit the car to the front The good thing is that front car is a truck. You know the truck it have the hook to trail the stuff or something. But his front bumper car is broken, so that's when his fault. His car broken, but still have to pay. The car it doesn't broke anything, the insurance still have to pay for that because it's this person's fault. It's my friend's fault. Okay. He did the same thing like I did. Take all photo, asking for the policy number. Even though that person say no, you still have to take a photo of license plate and that person's photo. The mistake that he didn't take is a photo of that person to be the evidence. I'm gonna tell you later what's going on. But call the cop coming because it's small, because it have a snow coming, you cannot outside all time. So he explained, he take a photo and asking the policy number, and then he called back to the company insurance to explain and report the situation. After report evidence, send a photo, everything, and then making schedule. The good thing is that person car doesn't broke anything, so the company pays some. How say it? The bad thing is that person have the people inside in the car. Even though the car not broke anything, the insurance company still pay for that. But his car is broke. And his fault. He had to pay for himself too. Okay, now is the situation happening. I'm gonna tell you what's going on if you don't have insurance. Why it's important. Okay, remember my friend and another person, right? In the beginning, when the accident happening, he say, "Oh no, it's okay. I didn't get hurt anything." But my friend car is damaged. His car is not damaged, and here people inside there's nothing. When the insurance came to call both sides to see what's going on, what situation, my friend said my friend fault, and the insurance pay coverage for the damage for his car, and the person got hit. His car not broken. He make the liar. I don't know how that happening. And my friend told me that person make a liar. Oh, I got hurt so bad, and my back hurt, my stomach hurt. From that person, he's very strong. I cannot walk. It's like a sound like injury damage, but the real thing is that nothing wrong with the car. He just want the money for free. In the beginning, he said, "No, I'm okay. It's not back hurt or anything." But later, when called the insurance came, he you know how long he came? He came 3 weeks later. The 3 weeks later, he said he got 3 weeks later. He said he got hurt from the accident that my friend did. That's a crazy thing. So after I listened from that, I feel like, oh my lord, I'm glad that you have insurance. If you don't have insurance, that's gonna be a terrible situation. Then what happening with this situation? When my friend complained saying he lied, the company still pay for him anyways. Pay medical bill about $1,000. So it's my friend. How say that? Even though that person not fault or make a lie or anything, the person fault is my friend fault because he hit his car, so he had to pay. Anyways, even though bad or not bad, he still had to pay. Why? Waste his time. Waste his time also. So that's it. So driving on the road nowadays have to be careful. People on the road is crazy. So just protect yourself. If you worry about driving, buy full coverage. If you're not worried, you feel like you're good, you didn't hit anything and strong driving, go to liability. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.